Alright, I was cleaning out the basement today and got this old guy out. Oh, I don't know how old this thing is. I think it was bought probably some time back in the 50s or 60s if I'm not mistaken. My parents used it camping, so it's been around for quite a while. Haven't used it, so let's see if we can get it going. Memory serves me correctly. Unscrew the tab here. And let's see if we can get put some pressure into the tank. Let's try it this way. Try and screw it shut with that releasing any of the pressure in there. Turn up to light. Okay, let's see if we can get this thing going without blowing anything up. Let's see if this thing works first. Okay, we've got flame there, so screw the valve here. Oh, look at that. That's impressive. This thing hasn't been used in probably about 20 years. I don't go camping as much as I like to or want to, but that's the way it goes. Well, at least I don't know if I need a stove. I've got one that works. Cool. Must be turned up to light. After 1 minute, turned down to burn. Like, just the design of these things is just incredible. Not sure what that was, but whatever. Yeah, seems to be got beautiful heat on that side. Let's push our luck and see if we can get this side lit. Smell the naphtha, the Coleman fuel. Yeah, it's lit. Nice. Jeez. Let's see, we've got a nice, beautiful flame in there. And this side is going too. It's pretty light outside, so you can't see it, but yeah, pretty impressive for an old stove. I think they still sell them. I'm not sure if they run on propane these days or if you can still get them to run on the camp fuel or naphtha, because you can probably throw just about anything you want in there except gasoline, obviously. But there you go.